All right, guys, welcome to the channel. We're gonna change these tail lights out because that one's broke somewhere on the inside or something. I don't know exactly, ain't pulled it out yet, but something's broke anyway. So it gives me good enough reason to swap them out other than them being just stupid ugly. All right, gonna start out by taking these two screws right here out. It'll be a torque bit 25. Well, that's what's broke. Didn't even think about that. All right. So we're gonna take our bulbs, just twist them to the left. Drop that one out. Drop your reverse light out. Set this off to the side. Alright, next pull this red tab, locking tab. Disconnect the whole thing because our new it's going to plug right into here. So this right here, just keep this with your old housing. And carefully, that's why I got a rubber glove on. I'm going to pull this bulb here out because we're going to use this one for our reverse light in the new one. And you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Take you a flathead screwdriver and work these tabs. Just, you'll see the little tabs right there to get them to unlock. Just enough to get it started. And pull it out like that. Keep this with your old housing, just screw it back in. That's what I'm gonna do, because you don't need it no more. Alright, get this one in here so I don't lose all this stuff. Never know, you might need it down the road. Alright, I'm gonna clean around here. A little dirt you can't get when you wash your truck. And then I'll be right back. Here's our new tail light we're going with. Get these screws right here. You will have to use these new screws they sent with it because the factory ones we pulled out, it's not quite long enough to go through these clips right here. All right, now got your reverse light right here. I'm going to unlock it, pull it out, because you got to use that bulb we pulled out of the old tail light. Take your bulb, pop it in like so, and we're going to pop this here back in. Next, it's on one way these right here are going to plug in. So, see how it'll turn just like that. We'll plug our reverse light in. Next, plug your tail, brake light, running lights, whatever, all that crap right there in. And I'm going to have to get new clips, but I'm just going to pop these in anyway, just for video purposes. And then if you look right there, them two holes, the clip, plastic clip, it came out of the bottom hole. Now you're going to have to move it up to that upper hole right there. So basically pull that plastic clip right there out and put that up in the upper hole. I'm trying to hold the camera in the tail light because I already plugged it in. I meant to mention that before I started this part, but that way them pins right there will line up. Anyway, bring the wiring harness back in. Put that plastic clip there back in, even though that's not going to hold. Guess I'll be going by Dodge today on my way to work to pick up. They even got them. Make sure you don't pinch none of your wires. Here's your new Phillips head screws that came with the tail lights. There. At least it'll stay for now. I ain't driving the truck today anyway, so like I said, we'll run by the dealership and I'll pull this back off, put the new clips in. There we are. Yep, that definitely looks way better than factory. Alright guys, I'm going to start out by cutting the running lights on, then I'm going to hit the brake lights and then the turn signals. Alright, well, that's it for me. Next we'll be doing headlights. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a good one.